If you find your PDF pages are not in the correct order, you can easily rearrange them in just a few clicks with PDFelement for Windows. Let's get started. First, open your PDF document. Then, navigate to the Page menu. Here, you can see all pages. Simply drag and drop the page to the correct spot. You can also select multiple pages and change all of their positions at once. If you only need to make a slight change to the page order in your PDF, navigate to the Home menu. Go to the left side navigation pane and click the thumbnail icon. Select one page or several page thumbnails and drag them to the correct position. That's it! If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try out PDFelement for free today, and see you next time!